What's up, yo? Welcome back. We're at this little spot. I got my mate here. Brought the Surrons out this time. Gonna have a little rip around this track, and maybe we'll do some work, do some shoveling, and add a few extra jumps in here. So I built a lip at home. Didn't film any of it. Put it on this jump. Filled it in with some gravel. Put the carpet over top. And it's pretty solid. Here it is. The jump is actually pretty sick. Let's go. Yes, sir. Let's have a little look at this one. I want to jump this in. And then where are we going from here? Straight across. Straight down there. Let's do the new one again. Getting Cindy. A bit short, but it's still good. I need to fix up the little hop in here. Let's get the Insta, get some more shots. Alright, I've got the Insta set up. Got a wide angle shot, and then we'll get some other shots too. New angle on the Insta. Dropping. Let's go. Yeah. Well, I am stoked on this jump. It is so good. Just that little lip boosts you all the way. Happy with that little build. Let's give this little hip here. It's going to the wrong side for me, and I can't whip, but let's hit it up. Tiny. Loving it. Let's do this little gap. Ew. Alright, I fixed the lip on this step in and the landing, so we'll hit that. Fix this one up as well. I think we can do that. Haven't hit that one fully yet. But it's a good little step down now. Just fix that lid up really good. I want to land down there. A little bit more speed needed for that. One thing I say is I have put fork oil in here before last ride, and I really can feel the difference today. When I case those jumps, the forks feel so much better. It's definitely something you want to do when you get the bike, is change that oil. I ended up putting 170 in. I think some people put 200, 100 come out. 170 feels good to me. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.